Game start na po. Clock taking 2, wala. Rebound by number 26. 26, pass to number 10, sa ilalim, 2 points by number 10. Itong number 10, 2 points.
Hindi, magbubulok ng bayan. Doon dumating niya.
Number 2, 2 points by Dave. 9 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 26.
Sino yun yung nakadilaw?
23, wala. Number 7, rebound pero wala na. Team F. 9 minutes and 7 seconds. 26. 19 seconds to shoot. 9 minutes exactly. To number 6. Number 6. Intercepted by number 24. Number 24. Turumel. Taking 2. Wala. Dito by number 24 sa ilalim. 17 seconds to shoot. All 2. Isa. Sa ilalim. Sa para mo pa isa. Wala. Dito by number. Wala pa rin. Dito Nino. Dito ni number 10. Number 10. To number 26. Back to number 11. Number 11. Block by Ruel. Kapwa ni number 10. To number 6. 26. Ang kalabasa sa ilalim. Wala. Dito ni number 11. Ay Soto. Shot lang. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 10, 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 6, 4-2. 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Ruel. 16 seconds to shoot. Ali pass to Libon na ito. Number 6 to number 26. 26 to number 11 kay Soto. 2 points by number 11. 6-2. 7 minutes and 43. Intercepted by number 11 kay Soto. Lumibad na. Wala. Rebound by Ruel. 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Nakita si number 40 sa ilalim. Drop pass to Ruel. Wala. Rebound by number 6. 6-2. In favor of Team F. 26. Crossover move. Pull up 2. Wala. Rebound by Dave. Intercepted by number 6. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. 26, 19 seconds to shoot. Number 11, 11 lumipad. Wala, rebound by number 10. Wala, rebound by number 6, 8 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 10, 8-2. 6 minutes and 51 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by number 6 naman, number 6. Number 6, pass to number 26, making 2. Wala, rebound by Ruel. 6 minutes and 35. Ruel, lumipad, block by number 10. What a block by number 10, 6 minutes and 26. Pass to number 6, block by Isaac. What a block by Isaac.
Sakit ha, muli.
6 minutes and 70 seconds. Number 24, Easy move, wala. Rebound by number 10 na naman.
Sakit go.
6 minutes and 10 seconds. 20 seconds. 8-2. 20 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 14. 14. Lumipad na. Block by number 11. Ay Soto. 5 minutes and 52. Take pass to number 10. This one na. Rebound by Dave. Nakuha ni Ruel. Well. Sa'yo na, block by number 10. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot.
Ano yung pangalan?
Una by Dave. 20 seconds to shoot. Dave. Sumagana si Dave. Wala ang rebound by. Number 13.
Ay, yung dilo unang kaaway namin yan.
12 seconds to shoot. Case steal by number 6. Last possession before change. Pag na-shoot ka, change na. Pag na-shoot ka, change na. Short. Age score. 10-2.
Lakas ni Dave!
10-2. Score. 10-2. In favor of Team F. Karoon po sa mga nanonood sa atin dyan, maraming salamat at sa mga bagong players natin. Welcome mga bro. Welcome mga bro. Taking 2 rumors by number 24, Luis. 10-4.
Mamaya na lang, sabi mo.
10-4.
Ano pre?
Yung marinig eh.
20 seconds to shoot. Number 6.
Nasa ano pre? Malapit sa Montavilia, Kalamon mo. Yung court dito sa ano.
Wala. Rebound by number 10. Teka naman. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Wow, what a rebound by number 14. Ayun na. Luis, aliyo pa si Dave. Wala. Rebound by number 11. Inuhuli. Pero good pa rin. Good ball. Ayan na, lumipad. Wala. Rebound pa ito. Rebound dito. Rebound ni Luis yan. 4 minutes and 12. Aliyo pa si Dave. 2 points. Dave. 10-6. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Number 7 taking 3. Wala. Rebound by number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Ang ganda pasan dito. Wala. Number 7. Put back 2 points by number 7. 12-6. Rebound Nino. Rebound Nino. Wala Nino. Wala na. Team E. Team E. Wala na Team E. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Ayun sa plano. Wala. Rebound by number 14. 4 seconds to shoot. Wala na. Team F. 12-6. Kalahati. Kalahati. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Nauna na si number 6. 2 points. For number 6. 14-6. Dave. Dave. Sa kanya pa rin. Dave. Dave. Finish move. Dave. Dave. Block by number pero foul by number 11. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot.
Score.
14-6 in favor of Team F. Usa. Sak. Kumagkat. Ang ganda ng bukod. Wala. Timonino. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Good. 2 points by number 13. 38. 19 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 44. 14-8. Number 26, libre. Wala. Rebound ni Dave. Dave. Papadali na. Dave.
Ganda na.
Dave. Pinmove ni Dave. Fish ni Romel. Wala.
Sayang, nabitin.
Number 10. 48. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Lumipad na. Wala. Di mo ni number 25 pero nakakuha niyo. Nakakuha ni number 26. 10 seconds to shoot. Take it 3.
Tapos.
Wala. 7 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good ball. Last 2 minutes. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound dito. Rebound ni number 7. 1 minute and 50. Number 11. 2 points. By number 11. 16-8 kalahati. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Stop. 12 seconds to shoot. To Luis. 9 seconds to shoot. 7. 5 seconds. 3. Take it 3. Good. Nakakuha pa rin. Nakakuha pa rin ni Dave. 1 minute and 24. Dave.
Ayan nga.
Dave sa ilalim. Wow by number 7. Lamang ang Team F. 16-8.
May yellow.
Yellow. Sila number 10. Sak sa ilalim. Kumabaw na. Sak pa rin. Kumutusap.
Laki.
Very good. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Lumipad si number 7. Wala. Rebound ng Luis. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Luis. Luis.
Ang lupit talaga ito dapat.
Luis. Ayan na. Luis. Intercepted by number 11 kay Soto. Ayan na po. 2 points by number 11. 18-8. Last 50 seconds. 18-8. 42 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Ruel. 12 seconds to shoot. 14. Issue number 3. 2 points. Ruel Torra.
Uli!
29 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds shot clock. 24 seconds. Aliu pass to number 26. 2 points by number 26. Shot clock off. 18 seconds. 15, 83, wala. 13 seconds. 12, 10, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the game.